If you guys are looking for an easy way to save money on car repairs, stop paying shops to replace air and cabin air filters on your vehicle because it's one of the easiest things you can do there at home and save yourself money. Today I'll show you how you can very easily do this on an '06 Toyota Highlander. Starting with the cabin air filter, just open your glove box and then push in on both sides. And there's just a little rubber stopper there, just push it down like that. Now we have access to the cabin filter, so you just want to pull this off on the end. Then here's our cabin air filter tray, and it'll have our air filter inside there. All right, so now we're ready to install our new one, so just pop the old one out. And pay attention to the way this is sitting in there. So this flat piece needs to go on the bottom. And you just want to get it past those retainers on each side. And those are those retainers I'm talking about. So just make sure on each one of those, it's past there. You will see reviews on this air filter where people have this thing come out. The reason it comes out is because they don't have it past those clips. So just make sure you have it past each one of them. Then we're ready to install it back on the vehicle. Before you put the new one in here, if yours had a bunch of debris and leaves and dirt and stuff that fell down in there, make sure you get a shop vac and clean that out. But if yours looks good, then go ahead and install the new filter back in here. So just slide that tray in like that. Then take this cover and it should simply snap in place. Just make sure it's fully seated on both sides there. Then lift your glove box back up. Then you're done with the cabin air filter. Moving on to the engine air filter, you just have a clip here and one on this side. Just gently pull that back. And you should be able to pivot this forward. Then reach in there and slide your old one out. Moving on to the installation of this filter, and I just have the Purolator filter here. Make sure the one that you get, it has these notches on here. So as you can see there's two notches there. There's two corresponding notches down here on your air box. So there's one and there's one over there. So what that means is these two cutouts need to be facing like this downward. If you look over here, you don't have any notches over there, you don't have any notches over there. So that's helping you determine where this needs to be in there and the actual orientation. So make sure you're paying attention to that, then line it up in there. Once you got it lined up, just make sure it's flush on all four corners. And just make sure when you're lining this up that you get this back in here, these clips. So you're going to rotate it up like this, push it down and push it forward there, then snap those two clips on the end. And just go ahead and reconnect these clips up front. Then just verify everything's tight here, then you're done with the engine air filter. All right, so as you can see, this is a very easy process to not only change this air filter up here, but also the cabin air filter. There's no need to take your vehicle to a shop and have them replace these for a couple $100. You can very easily do this yourself at home and save yourself hundreds of dollars. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please give me the thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please hit that subscribe. But again, I hope this helped you out and thanks for watching.